Hello everyone! Today we are going to be unboxing my new 10-inch ring light, so stay tuned. As you can see, I'm just going to go and open up the box so that I can grab all the materials that came inside of it. Although it had more bubble wrap, I do see that the box was a little bit dented, so luckily nothing happened to the actual light. And again, I was happy that I got it for approximately $20. And now for the actual contents of the box, we have these legs that actually hold up the stand, the actual light itself that has 3 different settings, and again, everything is collapsible, which is amazing. Next, we have the actual phone stand where you will be holding up your phone, the self-timing remote, which is perfect for taking your own pictures. Lastly, we have the instruction manual, which your girl did not read. Everything was pretty obvious for me personally, but it always helps to still glance over the instructions if you get a little stumped, or follow the next steps that I'm going to be taking in this video if your ring light is similar to mine. So the first thing I did was grab the legs of the ring light and then go ahead and screw on the base part. And as you can see, I'm just turning it right around. And then once I've screwed it on, I begin to open up the legs just so I can prepare to apply the actual ring light to the stand. At the bottom of the ring light, you will find that there is a hole that is for you to turn the legs onto, and then you'll just screw them together and voila! Next, you're going to want to grab your phone holder and begin to twist that onto the inside of the ring light so that your phone will be able to be situated directly at the light source of the ring light. Now I played around with the light settings so I could see which one I liked the most. And as you will notice, there is a medium light one, a more fluorescent blue light type of lighting, and then we have a warmer color as well. And here are all 3 colors at once. I hope that you guys can see the differences because they definitely make a difference in the way that your pictures and or video appear. One more super cool fact is that the light is dimmable using that same remote controller that's attached to the outlet cord, so you can go ahead and increase or decrease the overall intensity of the light that is showing on you. This light literally does magic for the money bags that are situated under my eyes, so I'm really feeling this light. And it was super affordable, less than $20, and it can be used for filming videos. When I first got this light, I was extremely curious to see whether or not I would be able to travel with it, and I'm so happy to say yes, you can. I brought this light through TSA to and from my destination, and I actually had it in my book bag, so that was cool. I just had to bring it out when it was time to take all of the electronics out of my carry-on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and definitely check out Amazon because like I said, this light is a great affordable light for taking pictures and whatever you really want to do with it. Bye.